up?
Okay.
What are you working on?
Just putting a thumb on this. Looking at some here. Alright, so basically we just take all the parts, we hook the thumb up to the coupler, we grind down the top part over here, we weld this bracket on here that assists for the thumb hydraulic. So we weld all that on, we'll paint everything on. We'll actually come back once all this is painted up and done. We'll get into the hydraulics over here, we'll do all the relief valves, set the pressures to the correct pressures because these actually don't come from, or some of them don't come from the factory with the right pressures and everything. And then we'll actually go through, we'll change the batteries out, do all that nice. I think that's roughly about it, really.